Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce video production costs with Vimeo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to reduce video production costs using Vimeo. First, sign up for a Vimeo account if you haven't already. Choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Once logged in, navigate to the upload section to start uploading your videos. Utilize Vimeo's hosting capabilities to avoid additional costs associated with other platforms. Select the privacy settings to control who can view your videos. Consider using Vimeo's customizable playback options to enhance viewer engagement without extra expenses. Access the Vimeo Create tool for easy video editing and templates. This feature allows you to produce high-quality videos quickly without hiring professionals. Explore the team feature if you work with collaborators. This allows you to manage projects and share resources more efficiently. Take advantage of Vimeo's analytics to track video performance. Understanding viewer engagement helps you optimize content and reduce future production costs. Use the distribution options to share your videos on multiple platforms seamlessly. This maximizes your reach and reduces the need for separate promotional videos. Experiment with Vimeo's live streaming capabilities to create real-time content without costly studio setups. Utilize the Sell Your Work option if you're creating content for profit. This allows you to monetize your videos directly, helping recoup production costs. Finally, regularly revisit your Vimeo account to stay up to date with new tools and features. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce video production costs while maintaining high-quality output. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.